Hi, I'm Suzanne. If you're watching this, chances are you're dealing with toenail fungus, thick, brittle nails, yellow discoloration, or even that persistent and bad smell that just won't go away. And while some people think it's just a cosmetic issue, the truth is, it goes way deeper. It affects your self-esteem, your comfort, and your everyday life. You start hiding your feet, skipping beach days, wearing socks with sandals, or avoiding open-toed shoes altogether, just to avoid judgment or embarrassment. And I get how exhausting it is to try product after product and still feel stuck. Creams that sit on the surface and do nothing. Sprays that dry your skin or make things worse. Or pills that come with a list of side effects longer than the label. So I started looking into what could actually help, without putting body through more stress. That's when I came across Appanail, and after looking into the ingredients, the science, and the actual results from real users, I felt confident enough to sit down and share this honest review with you. Appanail is a natural solution developed by Appimo medical experts who specialize in fungal infections and skin health. It was created based on research into how fungal infections survive under the nail, and most importantly, how to eliminate them effectively and safely. Unlike most treatments that barely touch the surface, Appanail was designed to penetrate deeply into the nail bed and surrounding skin, right where the fungus lives and spreads. That's the key to actually solving the problem long-term. The formula contains natural ingredients like Melaleuca alternifolia, tea tree oil, aloe vera extract, and glycerin, combined in the right balance to destroy fungal growth and support your skin's natural healing. These ingredients work together to soften the nail, eliminate odor, reduce inflammation, and restore a clean, healthy look to your feet. It's easy to use, with no harsh chemicals and no side effects. That means no burning, no peeling, no discomfort. Just a clean formula that works over time. Now, let's be real. This isn't some overnight miracle. But if you're consistent, using Appanail every day, you'll likely start to notice visible improvements in just a few weeks. Most people see the full transformation around the 3-month mark. It's a simple habit that can help you finally feel confident in your feet again. One thing I really appreciate is the 60-day money-back guarantee. That tells me the creators of this product truly believe in it. If it doesn't work for you, you get your money back, no questions asked. That's not something you see often with this kind of product. I also looked into the people behind Appanail, and from what I saw, they're focused on creating solutions that are both effective and safe, without relying on prescription drugs or expensive medical treatments. That gave me even more confidence in sharing this with you. So if you're tired of hiding your feet, tired of dealing with thick yellow nails, or you've been let down by treatments that just don't work, I really believe Appanail is worth a try. Just one quick warning, Appanail is not sold on Amazon, eBay, or any other third-party platforms. If you see it there, it's likely not the original formula and may not be safe. To protect your health and ensure you're getting the real deal, only buy from the official website. To make things easier, I've included the link to the official Appanail website in the description of this video. That way, you can be sure you're getting the real product, along with the proper guarantee and customer support. I hope this review gave you some clarity. And if you decide to try Appanail, I truly hope it helps you regain not just healthy nails, but also your peace of mind and confidence. Take care.